we are going to discuss about the flower formula. Okay, we are starting with Malvaceae family because we have seen China rose around us and it's commonly known as hibiscus. Everybody know this China rose flower. Okay, so we are starting with flower. Our point number 1 is flower. The flower is pentamers. What is the meaning of pentamers? Everything will be in the multiple of 5. Say for example, sepal are 5 or 10 or 15 or 20, but generally sepals are 5. Petals are also in the multiple of 5. Hypogynous ovary. What is the meaning of hypogynous ovary? Ovary will be superior. And how will we represent it? We will write capital G and below capital G we will underline it so that we can say our ovary is hypogynous. Flower is complete. What is the meaning of flower is complete? That means we have all the necessary 4 whorls. What are the necessary 4 whorls? Calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. We know if we have 4 whorls, that means the flower is complete. Okay, that means sepal, petal, androecium and gynoecium. And the flower is actinomorphic. What is the meaning of actinomorphic? That means it can be cut through any plane into 2 equal half. And what is the sign of this? We have to make a circle and we have to put a plus sign in it. Okay. It is hermaphrodite. What is the meaning of hermaphrodite? That means the flower is bisexual. And what is the symbol of bisexual? What is the symbol of bisexual? We have to make like this. Male and female. Both. This is the symbol of bisexual flower. And the flower may be bracteate or ebracteate. If bracts are present, then bracteate. If bracts are absent, that means ebracteate. And very peculiar thing about China rose flower is that they have apicalyx. What is apicalyx? Apicalyx are small green structure after sepals, and generally their number is 7. They may be 5, but generally the number is 7, and they are not fused. Not fused, that means they are free. Calyx. What is the meaning of calyx? We know the group of sepals is known as calyx, and as I told you, they are pentamers. That means their number is 5. Pentamers means multiple of 5. We can see the sepals are 5. They are gamosepalous. What is the meaning of gamosepalous? That means they are fused. Velvet estivation. We had studied about velvet estivation in the April month, May month. That means the margins are not overlapping. We had already discussed it, and I will make a separate video about all the estivations. Don't worry. Corolla. What is the meaning of corolla? Group of petal is known as corolla. Again, the number is 5 because pentamers. What is the meaning of pentamers? They will start with 5. They are polypetalous. What is the meaning of polypetalous? Polypetalous means free. Gamosepalous means fuse. Gamo means fuse. Poly means free. That means petals are not connected to each other. They are free. They are attached to staminal tube. Then when we will make a diagram, then we will understand how they are connected with staminal tube. Okay, I will clear it. Twisted estivation. What is the meaning of twistivation? One margin will in and one margin will out. In out situation is known as twistivation, twisted estivation. That means one petal margin will be in and one petal margin will be out. Androecium. They are many. Stamens are many. Stamens are many. If you have observed China rose, you would have seen there are many stamens. Look at the China rose today. Pluck a flower and observe it. Monothecous. That means the anther is monolobe. Generally the anther are bilobe, but in this case the anther is monolobe. Monoadelphous condition. What is the meaning of monoadelphous condition? Monoadelphous condition means the filaments are fused, but the anther is free. Monoadelphous condition means filaments are fused, but the anther is free. We will make a diagram, then this will also get clear. Epipetalous. What is the meaning of epipetalous? Stamen is fused with corolla. Stamen is fused with petals. Stamen is fused with petals. So we have to connect them. Okay. Gynoecium. Ovary is pentacarpillary. What is the meaning of pentacarpillary? Suppose this is the ovary. It has 5 chambers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This we had discussed. Pentacarpellary ovary means it has 5 chambers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Syncarpus, that means it is fused. Syncarpus means fused. Syn means fused. Always remember this word, syn means fused. Exile placentation, that means placentation will be here. Central part, at central part. And here will be ovules. 2 ovules in each chamber. This we had already discussed. Separate video I will make it about the placentation, don't worry. By this analysis, we can make a flower formula for Malvaceae family. Let's look at. If bracts are present, we will simply write BR. If bracts are absent, we will write EBR. There is no problem. We said the flower is actinomorphic. This is the sign of ectomorphic. This is the sign of ectomorphic. We said the flower is hermaphrodite. That means the flower is bisexual. We said we have apicalyx. And what is the symbol of apicalyx? EPK. What is the symbol of apicalyx? EPK. And how many are they in number? 7. So we write 7. I wrote free. That means they are free. I did not put a bracket around this 7. That means they are free. Now next number is calyx. We wrote calyx are 5 and they are gamosepalous. Calyx are 5 and they are gamosepalous. What is the meaning of gamosepalous? That means they are fused. Corolla, they are 5 and they are free. Corolla are 5, petals are 5 and polypetalous. What is the meaning of polypetalous? That means they are not fused free. So I did not put a number. Androecium, I wrote many stamen. Many stamen means infinite. And one more thing, many stamen. A monoadelphous condition, that means stamens are fused. So I put a bracket. And for gynoecium, gynoecium are 5. See, ovary is pentacarpellary. What is the meaning of pentacarpellary? We have to write 5. Syncarpus, that means they are fused. I put a bracket, a small bracket. Earlier I told you the gynoecium is hypogynous ovary. What is the meaning of hypogynous ovary? Ovary is superior and other valves will be below it. What is the symbol of this hypogynous ovary? Capital G and underline. I wrote capital G and underline. I hope